Page number 266. Very good morning, dear students. Please concentrate. Page number 266, level 2. Question number 9. Question number 9. The number of molecules present in 1.12 into 10 power of minus 7 cc of gas at STP. Yes. Arey 1 mole yaar. 1 mole means Avogadro number. Avogadro number means 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules. How much volume occupies at STP? 22.4 liters. मतलब 22,400 ml. 400 ml. Understood now? 22,400 ml means 22,400 cc. Means 22,400 cc have 6.02 into 10 power of 23. 10 power of 23 molecules. Any doubt? But in the problem, 1.12 into 10 power of minus 7 cc, how many molecules? Understood?
Page number, sir?
Page number 266, question number 9. Level 2 problems. समझ में आया ना?
Okay, sir.
Right. Understood? Then what is the answer? So 22,400 into x equal to 6.02 into 10 power of 23 into 1.12 into 10 power of minus 7, 22,400. कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आप? into this is the 200 again 0 like this. 2 1 3.01 1 2 3 4 4 means 10 power of minus 4 10 power of minus 4 10 power of minus 11 10 power of minus 11 10 power of minus 11 10 power of 23 10 power of 12 this one 10 power of 12 3.01 answer. Is there answer? Yeah, second one. Understood, dear students? Okay na?
Yes, sir.
अरे 1.12 into 200 है तो 224 यार. Again इधर 2 zeros है ना, इसलिए मैं वैसे लिखा. 2 1 2 3.01 है. इधर 4 0 means 10 power of 4. Numerator गया तो 10 power of minus 4. 10 power of minus 4. 10 power of minus 11, 10 power of 23, 10 power of 12. 3.01 into 10 power of 12. Shall I rub it?
No, sir, wait.
लिखो.
Done, sir.
Question number 10. Question number 10. देखो 10 में ऐसे बताया था आप पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ाई करके yes what is required what we have to do like that you can do it huh? Question number 10. Number of electrons in 1.8 gram of H2O. 1.8 gram of H2O. Number of moles of H2O weight upon gram molecular weight. Weight upon gram molecular weight. Weight 1.8 gram molecular weight of H2O 18. Then 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole. Arey 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water how many electrons? 1 mole H2O. How many moles of electrons? Oxygen atomic number 8 electrons. Hydrogen atomic number 1 electron. 2 hydrogens electron. 2 plus 8 10 electrons. Means 10 mole electrons. 1 mole water 10 mole electron. This step understood, dear students?
Sir, repeat again.
Yes, sir.
H2 है ना, oxygen atomic number 8 है ना, 8 electrons. Hydrogen atomic number 1 है ना, 1 electron. 2 hydrogen 2 electron. 2 plus 8 10 electrons. 1 mole water 10 mole electrons. 0.1 mole water 0.1 mole water, then how many moles of electron X? Then 1 into X equal to 10 into 0.1. Then X equal to 1 mole electron. 1 mole electron. 1 mole electron is 6.02 into 10 power of 23 electrons. Any doubt? I am explaining very clear. Dekho. Next. Problem number 11.
Wait, sir.
Concentrate, dear students, concentrate. Problem number 11. Okay, madam, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 11. Yes. From 320 milligram of oxygen, 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules are removed. The number of moles remain. Yes. 320 gram of, sorry, not gram, milligram, sorry. Number of moles of oxygen is 320 into 10 power of minus 3 weight. Gram molecular weight of O2 is 32. Number of moles of oxygen. Number of moles of oxygen. 32 under 32 10 jar. Then 10 power of minus 2 mole of oxygen. 320 milligrams. Understood? 320 milligrams means 320 into 10 power of minus 3 gram rate. Weight by molecular weight is the number of moles. Any doubt? This many moles. How many molecules are removed? 6.023 into 10 power of 20 molecules. 6.02 into 10 power of 23 है तो 1 mole या 6.02 into 10 power of 20 को how many 20 molecules को how many moles? How many moles? How many moles, dear students? X equal to 10 power of minus 3 mole. अरे 10 power of minus 2 moles को 10 power of minus 3 moles remove किया तो remaining कितने हैं? 10 power of minus 2 minus 10 power of minus 3. So 10 power of minus 2 common लिया तो 1 minus 0.1. बराबर ना? Means 10 power of minus 1. 10 power of minus 1. 10 power of minus 2. 1 minus 10 power of minus 1 है तो 1 by 10. Okay, then 0.1 लिखो. Then 10 power of minus 2, this is the 0.9. 9 into 10 power of minus 3. 9 into 10 power of minus 3. 9 into 10 power of minus 3 mole. Any doubt?
Sir, repeat.
Number of moles of oxygen. Number of moles of देखो problem number 11 रे. Problem number 11. From 320 milligram of O2, 6.023 into 10 power of 20 molecules are removed. The number of moles remained. 320 milligram से तो number of moles of oxygen 320 into 10 power of minus 3 weight by molecular weight 10 power of minus 2 mole. 6.02 into 10 power of 23 means 1 mole, right? 6.02 into 10 power of 20 molecules, how many moles? 10 power of minus 3 moles. Understood now? So this is the moles, these are the removed moles. Remaining moles, subtract here. 10 power of minus 2 common here. 1 minus 10 power of minus 1. 10 power of minus 2, 1 minus 2. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Shall I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 12. Shall I go to next problem? Okay now? Problem number 12. An oxide of nitrogen has a molecular weight 92. Are oxide of nitrogens N2O, NO, NO2, N2O3, N2O5. N2O5. Which is 92 देखो N2O4 92 होना चाहिए molecular weight. Which oxide 92? 516 80 228. No, this is not answer. 64 and 228 28. This is 92 है ना? Understood, dear students? Which oxide molecular weight 92? This one है ना? N2O4.
Yes, sir.
92. They are also given. An oxide of nitrogen has molecular weight 92. Find the total number of electrons in 1 gram mole of that nitrogen. Means 1 mole of nitrogen, how many moles? How many electrons? N2O4 count करेंगे. Nitrogen atomic number 7. 2 nitrogens. 2 into 7 electrons. Oxygen atomic number 8. 4 into 8 electrons. 14 electrons. Either 4 8 32 electrons. Then how many electrons? 46 electron. 46 electron is 46 mole electron. Then 46 into Avogadro number electron. Understood, dear students? That is आराम solve कर सकते हैं. Karen, understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Which oxide? 92. This oxide. This oxide, how many mole electron? 1 nitrogen 7, 2 nitrogen 14. 1 oxygen 8, 4 8 32. 32 14 46 mole electron. 46 Avogadro number of electron. Yeah, sir. Always we are discussing problems only. अरे this chapter problems only नहीं. अभी difficult chapters हो गए तो बाद में आपको easy chapters होते हैं ना. टेंशन क्यों? अभी easy हो गए तो बाद में difficult. Problem number 13. Total number of species present in 1 mole of potash alum in terms of Avogadro number. Potash alum. Sir, what is potash alum? Anybody know potash alum formula? Potash alum formula. Potash alum formula K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. 2 potassium, 1 sulfate, 2 aluminium, 3 sulfate, 24H2. Then how many species? Count karo. 2 1 2 1 3 5 8 plus 24 32. 32 mole species. 30 mole species means 32 into Avogadro number of species. 32 into Avogadro number of species. 32 mole species means 32 into Avogadro number of species. Any doubt? Any doubt? समझ में आया ना dear students? Next, problem number 14. Problem number 14. Problem number 14. Number of moles of K required to prepare 0.4 moles of K2HgI4 and HgCl to react K. Ki plus HgCl2 4Ki K2HgI4 plus 2KCl. This is the standard equation, dear students. Number of moles of K required to prepare 0.4 mole of K2HgI4 when HgCl to react with A. Are 4 moles of Ki, 4 mole Ki gives 1 mole K2HgI4. KTHgI4. 0.4 mole, 0.4 mole K2HgI4. Then how many moles of Ka required? Understood? 4 mole Ka को 1 mole, 0.4 को कितने x? Then 4 into 0.4 equal to x into 1. Then 1.6 equal to x, 1.6 mole. 1.6 mole of Ka required. Any doubt? This is problem number 14. Problem number 15. Problem number 15. How many water molecules are there in a 1 drop of water? Are water ka volume given. Volume 0.0018 ml hai to weight also 0.118. So number of moles of water equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight. Are density equal to mass by volume. Density 1. Then mass equal to volume. So then mass equal to volume is 0.0018 grams. 0.0018. This is the volume. So volume, this is the weight. Molecular weight of water 18. 18. Then 10 power of minus 4 mole. 10 power of minus 4 mole. Any doubt here, students? Any doubt? Number of molecules which is equal to mole into Avogadro number. 6.023 into 10 power of 23 mole. Sorry, mole. This is Avogadro number. 10 power of minus 4 into 6.023 into 10 power of 23. 6.023 into 10 power of 90. Any doubt? Then 15 answer. Completed, dear students? 15 answer, which one, right?
First one.
First one. Problem number 16. Srushti, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Rohini?
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Abdul Ahad, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem, dear students. If you have any doubt, ask me. Thoda this chapter difficult hai, concentrate karo, huh? Right. Problem number 16. Problem number 16. 2 gram of metallic carbonate on decomposition gave 1.5 gram of metal oxide. The equivalent mass of metal. Metal carbonate converted to metal oxide. So how to solve it? Metal carbonate on decomposition gave metal oxide. Metal carbonate to metal oxide. Then formula क्या है? Weight of metal carbonate. Equivalent weight of metal carbonate. Weight of metal oxide. Equivalent weight of metal oxide. Weight of metal carbonate 2 grams. Equivalent weight of metal carbonate means equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of carbonate. Weight of metal oxide 1.5 gram metal oxide. Equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide. अरे carbonate equivalent weight carbon 12 oxygen 16. 3 16 का 48. बराबर ना 48 12 60. But carbonate is the CO3 2 minus. 2 minus है तो क्या है? Equivalent weight equal to molecular weight by valency. Valency 2. 60 by 2 means 30. So 2.0 by equivalent weight of metal plus 60 by 2. 60 by 2 means 30. Understood, right? 30. 1.5 equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxygen. Oxygen atomic weight 16. 16 by 2 है तो 8. Any doubt, dear students, how I am solving the question? Any doubt? Carbonate CO3 2 minus, CO3 का 60 valency 2. Oxygen means O minus 2 है ना, oxide. Oxygen means like 16/8. Calculation बाद में करो रे आप. Completed?
No, sir, wait.
हाँ, calculation बाद में करो, okay? Problem
58.
number 17. Vapor density of tribasic acid is X. Vapor density of tribasic acid is X. Tribasic acid. Tribasic acid means basicity. Basicity is 3. Vapor density is X. Molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density. Then 2 into X molecular weight. Then equivalent weight equal to equivalent weight of acid is that one. Tribasic acid. Equivalent weight of acid equal to gram molecular weight by basicity. Gram molecular weight is 2x, basicity is 3, 2x by 3. Any doubt? I am explaining very clearly. Array this one बाद में calculate करो, no problem.
58.
कितना है मैडम? 58 आया. Okay. Calculate करो, calculation का problem है. Understood? They just understood this problem. Basicity, tribasic. Vapor density x है तो molecular weight 2 into vapor density. Molecular weight 2x. Equivalent weight of acid equal to gram molecular weight by basicity. Then 2x by 3. Any doubt? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Tejas, okay now? Shall I repeat?
Yes.
Problem number 18. Oh, okay, right. Problem number 18. The equivalent weight of divalent metal. Problem number 18. Equivalent weight of divalent metal. The weight of single atom. Array. Equivalent weight equal to atomic weight by valency. Equivalent weight is 31.82. Atomic weight valency is 2 because of divalent. Then atomic weight equal to 63.64 grams. The weight of one single atom. Array, this is the 63.64 gram है तो Avogadro number of atoms. 6.023 into 10 power of 23 atoms. How much weight? 63.64 grams. Okay. 6.023 into 10 power of 23 atoms. 63.64 atoms. Okay ना? The weight of one single atom. अरे one atom का कितना weight है? One atom का कितना weight है? Then x equal to 63.64 by 6.02 into 10 power of 23. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt there, students? Okay. Problem number 19. Weight of Avogadro number, then the number of oxygen atoms in 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. When Na is Avogadro number, then the number of oxygen atoms in 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. 1 gram equivalent means equivalent weight of oxygen. Equivalent weight of oxygen is 8 grams. 8 grams. Understood? Actually, 16 gram of oxygen atoms, Avogadro number N. 8 gram of oxygen, 8 gram of oxygen atoms, how much X? X equal to N by 2. This is Na to Na by 2. Understood, dear students? When Na is Avogadro number, then the number of oxygen atoms in 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. Equivalent weight of oxygen 8 grams. 16 gram of oxygen atom, Avogadro number of atoms. 8 gram of oxygen atoms, how much? X equal to Avogadro number of atoms.
Wait. Done, sir.
Can I rub it? Dono? 19 also can I rub it?
हाँ sir.
Problem number 20, dear students, percentage weight of elements in compounds, molecular formula and empirical. Problem number 20. At STP, 1 liter of gas weight 1.125 grams. This problem we can do two ways, right? 1 liter weight is density. Now, weight of 1 liter density, no? Weight of 1 liter gas is density. Density. So 1 liter of gas weight is 1.25 grams. 22.4 कितना है फाइंड आउट करो. Okay, इधर weight दिया ना, weight दिया ना. Okay, weight directly given. So 1 liter gas weight is 1.25 grams. 22.4 liters. 22.4 liter का weight how much? Then X equal to 22.4 into 1.25. कितना आता है this one? This is the weight. 22.4 into 1.25 how much? I don't know.
28. 28.
28. So you are getting 28 grams. 28 grams is what gram mole का weight है ना? 22.4 liter मतलब 1 mole. 1 mole का weight how much? 1 mole का weight is 28. 28 is the gram molecular weight. 28 gram molecular weight. Which option is there? Which option check it? C2H4 is the answer. 2 carbons 24, 4 hydrogens 4, 28. Any doubt? 1 liter का 1.25 grams. 22.4 liter का how much weight? 22.4 liter means 1 mole का weight. 1 mole weight is the gram molecular weight. Any doubt? समझ में आया ना? Otherwise percentages दिया रहे हैं. Percentage formula based on process है ना, बहुत टाइम लगता है. टाइम है 2-3 मिनट कर लेते हैं. Karan, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Problem number 21. Problem number 21. A certain compound contains magnesium, carbon, nitrogen. Magnesium, carbon, nitrogen. Problem number 21. Mass ratio given 12, 12. Mass given 12, 12. 14 given. Mass ratio. Number of moles find out karo na. Number of moles. Number of moles means weight by atomic weight. 12 by magnesium 24. 12 by 12. 14 by 28. Understood, dear students? This is ratio. These are the mass. This one. This is the mass. This is the number of moles. Number of moles. 12 by 24 means 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is to 1 is to 1 by 2. Then 1 is to 2 is to 1. Then Mg1, C2, Mg, C2. Sorry, nitrogen 14 है ना, 14 है तो sorry, 1 है ना, this sorry. Then 1 by 2 is to 1 is to 1. Then 1 is to 2 is to 2. Then Mg1, C2, N2. MgCN twice. Answer. Any doubt? Magnesium, carbon, nitrogen. Mass 12, 12, 14. Number of moles find out here. Magnesium 24, 12 by 24. Carbon 12, 12 by 12. Nitrogen 14. Wait, I am telling. 14 by 14. Half 1, 1. 1 half 1, 1 ratio. 1 is 2 is 2. MgC2, N2. MgCl twice. Understood? समझ में आया ना? मनोज?
Yes, sir.
चले रॉबिट?
Yes.
जल्दी करो. 22. A compound of phosphorus and sulfur contains 1.24 grams of phosphorus. 22. A compound of phosphorus of sulfur contains. A compound of phosphorus and sulfur contains 1.24 gram of phosphorus, 2.2 gram of compound. अच्छा. Compound weight कितने रे? 1.24 gram of phosphorus. Compound कितने? 2.2 gram of compound. Then sulfur कितना हो जाते? Phosphorus plus sulfur equal to compound weight. Phosphorus 1.24, sulfur is the X, compound is 0.2. Then X equal to 2.2 minus 1.24. Then how much? 2.2 minus 1.24, how much? How much, right? Correct ना?
0.96.
हाँ 0.96. 0.96 means this is the phosphorus, this is the sulfur. Phosphorus weight is 2.2, sulfur weight is 0.96. Wait, number of moles of phosphorus 31, sulfur क्या है? 32.
Sir, phosphorus 1.24.
Sorry, 1.24. 1.24 by 31 कितने रे? 1.24 by 31.
0.0.
Your voice is not. I could not listen, madam. Please tell me, dear students.
0.032.
0.04.
0.02.
44.
0.044.
0.04.
04. This one, Manoj.
0.03.
0.03.
Then P4 S3 रे 4 and 3 है ना. This is 4 है ना. This is 3. Then P4 S3 is the answer. Completed. Is there answer? Yes. Read fast, dear students. Shall I repeat? Next, 23. Problem number 23. The relative number of atoms of different elements in a compound are as follows: A, B, C. Relative number of atoms. Relative number of atoms in different elements. A 1.33, B 1, C 1.5. Make it as round figure. कैसे round figure कर सकते हैं? Shall I multiply with 6? 1.5 into 6 कितने? 9. This is the 6. 1.33 into 6. 1.33 into 6 कितना होता है? 6 3
7.9.
7.98.
7.98. You can make it as 8. Then your answer is A8, B6, C9. Shall we go to next problem?
Yes.
(24). Problem number 24. A compound has 40% of carbon by weight. Molecular weight of the compound is 90. Number of carbon atoms present in a molecule. Percentage of carbon, which is equal to weight upon gram molecular weight into 100. Percentage of carbon 40. Weight upon gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight कितने? 90 into 100. 0 0 cancel. And weight equal to 360 by 60. Then weight equal to 36 grams. अरे 36 ग्राम है तो how many carbon atoms? So this is the weight of carbon. Weight of carbon equal to 36. Carbon atomic weight 12 है ना?
3.
Yes, 3 carbon atom. 1 carbon 12 grams. 3 carbon 36 grams. 36 grams how many carbons? Any doubt? Understood, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Dear students, 25 problem already we done, right? 26 organic chemistry. Actually, percentage of carbon, percentage of hydrogen, percentage of nitrogen, percentage of phosphorus, sulfur. That is, we will discuss in organic chemistry qualitative analysis. Solve here to solve, but we will discuss in organic 26. Okay? 25 already we done, 26 completed. Problem number 27. Numerical calculations based on chemical equations. Okay. Okay. Listen, my dear students, thoda concentrate karo. 27. When a sample of baking soda is strongly ignited in a crucible, it suffers a loss in weight of 3.1 gram. The mass of baking soda is. Good question here. Baking soda. What is baking soda formula? सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट बेकिंग सोडा. बेकिंग सोडा हीट किया तो Na2CO3 प्लस CO2 प्लस H2O. CO2 प्लस H2O. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट हीट किया तो Na2CO3 CO2 and H2O. Any doubt? When a sample of baking soda is strongly ignited in a crucible, it suffered a loss in weight of 3.1 grams. And a loss in weight, this is the solid, does not loss. CO2 gas, H2 also gas. These are the loss in weight. Loss in weight. So, sodium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate heat किया तो this much component is loss हो जाते because of vaporize हो जाते gas state. Sodium bicarbonate molecular weight कितने हैं? Sodium bicarbonate molecular weight है. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium 23, 24, 24 plus 12, 36, 36 and 48, 84 ना?
84.
84, 2 moles, 2 into 84 को. Carbon dioxide कितने हैं? 44 है. H2O कितने हैं? 18, कितने हैं? 8, 4, 2, 5, 6, 62. Understood? दोनों ऐड किया है. Carbon dioxide water. Means 2 into 84 gram of sodium bicarbonate decompose होता है तो 62 gram of substance loss. Any doubt? Any doubt? 3.1 gram of substance loss होने के लिए then how much weight of sodium carbonate is required? Dear friends, any doubt?
सर वो 62 वाला और एक बार रिपीट कीजिए ना.
60. अरे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड 44 है, वाटर इज 18, 44 plus 18 62. सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर दोनों भी लॉस हो जाते हैं ना. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट सॉलिड लॉस नहीं होते, रेसिड्यू डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं मास. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड H2O इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैस स्टेट, वेपराइजेशन स्टेट, मींस वेपर हो जाते हैं, लॉस हो जाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर.
राइट. So 2 into 84 gram को 62 grams loss, 3.1 grams को how much X? Then 2 into 84 into 3.1 equal to 62 into X. Then X equal to 2 into 84 into 3.1 upon 62. 3.1 jo this one 20. 2 1 jo 2 cancel. 84 by 10. 84 by 10. 8.4 gram of substance is required. Is there answer?
Second.
Yes, yeah, second. Any doubt? Problem number 28. Problem number 28. 18.4 gram of mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate on heating gives 4 gram of magnesium oxide. The volume of carbon dioxide produced at STP in this process. Question you should understood first of all. 18.4 gram of mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Calcium carbonate heat किया तो CaO plus CO2. मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट हीट किया तो MgO plus CO2. दोनों ही मिक्स करके हीट किया. CaCO3 plus MgCO3 gives rise to CaO plus MgO plus CO2. This is the equation. 18.4 gram of mixture. This one 18.4 gram of mixture. They are given. 18.4 gram of mixture. 4 gram of magnesium oxide. 4 gram of magnesium. Array, one more thing here. Magnesium oxide, carbon dioxide, they are asked relation. Magnesium oxide, how many moles? 1 mole. Magnesium oxide ka weight how much? Magnesium 24 plus 16 40. Array 40 grams ko then 40 grams ko how much carbon dioxide is liberated? Array CO2 है ना? 2 CO2. 2 CO2 means 2 into 22.4. 40 grams ko 2 into 22.4. But 4 gram of magnesium oxide ko how much? Then X equal to 4.48 liters. Any doubt, dear students? CaCO3, MgCO3, CaO plus, MgO plus 2 CO2. This is the equation. 40 grams for 2 into 22.4 liter. 4 grams for how much if you want to eat? 40 into X equal to 4 into 2 into 22.4. 4 1 ja, 4 10 ja. X equal to 44.8 by 10. Then 4.48 liters. Any doubt? Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
हाँ लिखो प्रॉब्लम है.
Complete.
Next. Problem number 30. A solution containing 0.2 mole of ferric chloride is allowed to react with 0.24 mole of sodium hydroxide. Ferric chloride, sodium hydroxide. Listen, my dear students. Ferric chloride, FeCl. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. 3 moles NaOH. FeOH thrice plus 3 NaCl. 3 NaCl. A solution containing 0.2 mole of ferric chloride is allowed to react with 0.24 mole of sodium hydroxide. The correct statement for this reaction is, this is the 1 mole, this is the 3 mole, this is the 1 mole according to stoichiometric calculation. But given how many moles of ferric chloride? 0.2 mole ferric chloride. How many moles of sodium hydroxide? 0.24 mole of sodium hydroxide. We don't know this one X. अरे फर्स्ट लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Limiting reagent means in a chemical reaction which reactant give least number of moles of the product. That is the limiting reagent. This is the FeCl3. This is the sodium hydroxide. 1 mole of FeCl3 gives 1 mole of FeOH3. 0.2 moles को how much X? Then X equal to 0.2. 3 mole का ferric 1 mole ferric hydroxide. 0.24 को how much X? Then 3X equal to 0.24. X equal to 0.24 by 3. X equal to 0.24 by 3. 0.08. Any doubt? Then which is the limiting reagent, dear students? Which is the limiting reagent? Sodium hydroxide is reagent or ferric chloride is limiting reagent?
NaOH.
NaOH.
Because of least number of moles of the product, either 0.2 moles of ferric hydroxide, either 0.08, least number of moles of the product, limiting reagent. So your answer, first one, limiting reagent for this reaction NaOH. Correct or not? First statement correct or not?
सर लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
Limiting reagent means in a chemical reaction, which reactant give least number of moles of the product? Which reactant give least number of moles of the product? Which reactant give least number of moles of the product? FeCl3 NaOH. FeOH3 is NaCl. 1 3 1 0.2 0.24. अरे ferric chloride ले लो 1 mole का 1 mole FeOH3 0.24 का how much X? 3 mole का 1.24 का how much X? 0.8. Then which is least number of moles of the product is given? Correct, understood?
Yes sir.
This is the limiting reagent. NaOH is limiting reagent. Then NaOH how much form हो जाते? 0.08. Which reactant give least number of moles of the product? That many moles देते, that only limiting reagent. That is the amount of the product. So then second statement क्या दिया? 0.08 mole of FeOH3 is formed now. Understood? Second statement understood? Are understood or not?
Yes sir.
Third statement, third statement 0.12 mole of FeCl3 is unreacted. Yes, correct है ना? अरे इधर FeCl3 0.2 यार 0.08 react हो जाते because of product formation. remaining क्या है 0.12 unleft means unreacted, left unreacted. Understood? Any doubt? Then what is the answer?
D, all of the above.
All of the above. Reagent means which reactant
All
is
of the above.
all of the above. (31) CH4 plus 2O2 gas, CO2 plus, actually that is the 2H2 array, that is the equation, equation balance needed. As per this reaction, 20 ml of methane, 20 ml of oxygen were exploded together, and if the reaction which is cooled to room temperature, the resultant gas mixture will have this is the liquid. So this one you need not to consider. 1 mole, 2 mole, 1 mole. Understood, right? 1, 2, 1. Methane कितना दिया? This is the 20 दिया. Oxygen कितना दिया? 20 given. Then this one carbon dioxide. How much carbon dioxide? That is the question. Good question, dear students.
सर ऑक्सीजन 2 into 20 होगा ना?
2 moles है ना यार, 2 into 20. Then X कितना होते हैं? 20 only. अरे 1 मोल का 20 है, 2 मोल का 220 40. Then 1 मोल का कितना हो जाते हैं? 20. Understood?
Yes.
Problem number 32. The mass of hydrogen gas at STP that is present in a vessel which can hold 4 gram of oxygen under single condition. Actually, atomic weight, equivalent weight of oxygen कितना है? 8 grams. 8 grams. So equivalent weight of oxygen, equivalent weight of hydrogen. 8 gram oxygen को 1 gram hydrogen. 4 gram oxygen को कितना है? X. X equal to 1 into 4 by 8. Then 1 by 2. 0.5 gram. Understood, right? The mass of hydrogen at STP that is present in a vessel which can hold 4 gram of oxygen under similar condition. 8 gram of oxygen, 8 gram equivalent weight of oxygen, equivalent weight of hydrogen. 8 is 1 gram, 4 0.5 gram. Okay, dear students, any doubt?
Sir, once again explain.
Sure, definitely. 32 देखो, the mass of hydrogen at STP that is present in a vessel which can hold 4 gram of oxygen under similar condition. Same condition. Always equivalent weight of oxygen equal to equivalent weight of hydrogen, which is equal to equivalent weight of chlorine. Oxygen का 8 है तो hydrogen का 1. Equivalent weight I am telling. 4 gram of oxygen को how much? Understood, madam? Okay now?
Yes, sir.
So, up to 32 questions completed, dear students. Methods of expressing concentration questions tomorrow discuss करेंगे. Oxidation and reduction questions now we will solve. Okay? This time is more enough for this one. उनको time ज़्यादा लगता है ना. 44 question number 44. Question number 44. Please do it fast. Question number 44. Question number 44. The oxidation state of iron in the coordination sphere of Prussian blue. Prussian blue formula Fe4 FeCN6. This is the Prussian blue. Fe4 FeCN6 thrice. Ionization. This one. 4 Fe plus 3 FeCN6. CN6. Okay. Either 3 है ना plus 3. Either 4 है ना minus 4. Fe4 FeCN6 thrice. Understood, dear students? This is the Prussian blue formula. 4Fe, 3. देखो 4Fe, 4Fe, 3 FeCN6. 3 FeCN6. Any doubt? Either 3 इधर लिखो plus 3. Either 4 इधर लिखो minus 4. They are asking which one oxidation state of iron in the coordination sphere. Yes, this is the coordination. This is the coordination. This iron we want. This iron we want. So 1 into iron X plus 6 into sin 8, which is equal to minus 4. X. Cyanide is the -1 equal to -4. X minus 4 equal to X minus 6 equal to -4. X equal to -4 plus 6. Then X equal to plus 4. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. Problem number 45. Oxidation number of SCN minus. Oxidation number of carbon in SCN minus. SCN minus carbon. Carbon. Single bond sulfur, that one. Carbon X-ray. Sulfur 1 into sulfur 1 into X plus 1 into nitrogen equal to -1. 1 into -2 plus 1 into X. Then 1 plus 1 into -3 equal to -1. -2 plus X minus 3 equal to -1. X minus 5 equal to -1. Then X equal to -1 plus 5 equal to plus 4. Nitrogen -3, sulfur -2. Single bond sulfur -2. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
46. Yeah, madam? Shall I write? Once again, shall I write?
Sir.
Yeah, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I write? Okay now? Right. "46. In ICl3, oxidation number of iodine and chlorine. ICl3. Are iodine and chlorine more alternative. Definitely chlorine -1. Chlorine is the -1. Definitely iodine then कितना हो जाता है? Iodine 1 into X plus 3 into C equal to 0. X 3 into -1 equal to 0. X minus 3 0. Then X equal to plus 3. Any doubt? Understood, dear students? Chlorine -1, iodine plus 3. Then answer is iodine and chlorine is plus 3 and -1. Which is the answer?
Second option.
Second option. Lead nitrate is strongly heated. In this reaction, the oxidation number of the following atom changes. Lead nitrate PbNO3 twice, which on heating 2PbO plus NO2 4NO2 plus O2. In the lead nitrate oxygen -2 है. इधर oxygen 0. Oxygen change. Because nitrate है ना, nitrate means NO3 minus है. इधर NO3 minus nitrogen 1 into X 3 into oxygen equal to -1. X plus 3 into -2 equal to -1. X minus 6 equal to -1. X equal to -1 plus 6 equal to plus 5. इधर NO2 क्या है? 1 into X plus 2 into oxygen equal to 0. X plus 2 into -2 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. Means nitrogen also change हो गया. Plus 5 to plus 4. Oxygen -2 to 0. Both nitrogen and oxygen change. Then what is the answer? Either be lead +2, either be lead +2 ray. Lead does not change. What is the answer?
Only in N and O.
Only nitrogen, oxygen. Problem number 48. CH3 C double bond OH. The sum of oxidation number of the carbon atoms in CH3CH. Achha, 2 oxygen oxidation number. Okay. Right. This is the -2. This is the +1. -2 + 1 -1. So definitely this carbon is -2 + 1 -1. This carbon is +1. Understood? This carbon +1. Either +1 +1 +1 +3. This carbon is -3. -3 + 1. Then -2 answer. Understood, dear students?
Repeat.
Definitely. Double bond oxygen -2, single bond hydrogen +1. Carbon connect with carbon 0. So 0 -2 +1 total -1. Carbon कितना होना चाहिए? +1 होना चाहिए. +1. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
+1 +1 +1 +3. This side 0. With respect to this carbon, this is 0. 0 +1 +1 +1 +3. Carbon कितना होना चाहिए? -1 -3. So -3 + 1 -2. Sum of oxidation number of carbons. Any doubt? (49) in the reaction between ethylene and alkene KMnO4.
अभ्यास करायला ते नाही हे करायला जमतं लगेच.
Right. In the reaction between ethylene and alkene KMnO4. अरे KMnO4 basic medium. देखो KMnO4 acidic medium K2MnO4. KMnO4 basic medium. Basic alkaline medium है तो alkaline. Any alkaline है तो MnO2. KMnO4 strong basic. Strong base. Like KOH है तो K2MnO4. KMnO4 neutral medium है तो MnO2. Alkane means you can take this option. So manganese here +7 rate. इधर manganese oxidation number +4. Decrease क्या है? +7 to +4. Understood, dear students? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? +7 to +4. Problem number 50. The gas bleaches the color of flowers by reduction, while the other by oxidation. A change of color, that is the bleaching action. All bleaching action, oxidation. All bleaching actions, reactions, oxidation. Oxidation. Any bleaching action. Chlorine bleaching action. H2O2 bleaching action. Oxidation. But SO2 bleaching action is reduction. Very important this one. Groups में आते हैं. All bleaching action reactions are oxidation. except sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide bleaching action is reduction. Bleaching action bleaches will change its color. Then 50 का answer 50 answer. Problem number 50.
Third option.
Third option. Right. 51. In the reaction between acidified KMnO4 and oxalic acid. Importantly, KMnO4 oxalic acid. KMnO4 means MnO4 minus. MnO4 minus. Oxalic acid means C2O4 2 minus. Gives rise to Mn2 plus CO2. This equation. Potassium permanganate and oxalic acid. Potassium permanganate and oxalic acid. Potassium permanganate and oxalic acid. Potassium permanganate is the KMnO4. This is the KMnO4. KMnO4, K plus MnO4 minus. Oxalic acid H2C2O4. 2H plus C2O4 2 minus. Understood? Permanganate, oxalic acid. MnO4 minus becomes Mn2 plus. C2O4 2 minus becomes C. This is the equation. Which is gain electron. Gain of electron means oxidation or reduction. In the reaction between acidified KMnO4 and hot oxalic acid, the species that gain electron means reduction. This one, right? Either manganese is plus 7, either manganese is plus 2. This is the reduction. Either carbon is plus 3, either carbon is plus 4. This is the oxidation. Then which is the answer? This one, MnO4 minus gain the electron. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students?
Sir, repeat.
Shall I repeat?
Yes.
Good. In the reaction between acidified KMnO4 and hot oxalic acid, the species that gain electron, or gain of electron reduction. KMnO4, K plus MnO4 minus. Oxalic acid, H plus and C2O4 minus, 2 minus. MnO4 minus plus C2O4 2 minus gives rise to Mn2 plus and CO2. Either manganese plus 7, either manganese plus 2. Plus 7 to plus 2 decreases reduction. Plus 3 to plus 4 oxidation. Decreases reduction, gain of electron reduction. NCERT textbook question, this one, dear students. Okay now? Understood?
Yes, sir.
$52. Which of the following have been arranged in order decreasing oxidation number? अरे H2S2O7 solve किया रे H2S2O7 plus 6 आते हैं Na2 N देखो H2S2O7 structure I will write. H2S2O7. Okay, this is the H2S2O7. Single bond oxygen -1, double bond oxygen -2. अरे -2, -1, -2, -1. -2, -1, -2. Then sulfur कितना होना चाहिए रे? Tell me, dear students. This is the structure of H2S2O7. Then sulfur कितना होना चाहिए? +6. सल्फर कितना होना चाहिए? +6. अरे -2 -3 -5 -1 -6 सल्फर +6. -2 -1 -3 -5 -6 sulfur +6. Any doubt? Next, Na2S4O6. Na2S4O6. SONA. Double bond O. Double bond O. Yes. Double bond O. Understood? -2 -2 -1 -2 -2 -1 0 0 because of direct atoms है. sulfur को sulfur 0, sulfur को sulfur 0, this side भी sulfur 0. So this sulfur कितने dear students? This sulfur कितने -2 -1 -3. This sulfur +5. This sulfur 0. This sulfur 0. This sulfur -2 -4 -5 sulfur +5. 5 0 0 5. Understood dear students? So sulfur +5. अरे average oxidation number है तो for example total. If they ask 4s equal to क्या है 10, s equal to क्या है 10/4 means 2.5 each sulfur. Okay, they are asking here each sulfur here. Next, Na2S2O3. 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 Okay. -1 -2 sulfur को sulfur connect हो गया ना 0. So then this sulfur is +2. This sulfur is +2. -1 -1 -2 this one 0 +2 this sulfur. S8 sulfur 0 0. अरे this is the 6 ray, this is the 5 means average this one 2.5. This is the 2. This is the 0. Or otherwise individual sulfur also ज़्यादा है 5 है ना. So what is the correct order? First one only. What is the correct order? 52 correct order. First one. Understood? $52 understood?
Yes, sir.
53. 53. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
HCl, 2HCl plus HClO3. इधर क्लोरीन +1, इधर क्लोरीन -1, इधर क्लोरीन +5. +1 to -1 reduction. +1 to +5 oxidation. Same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. That is the disproportionation reaction. Understood, right? Chlorine +1 right? OH क्या हो जाते हैं -1. Any doubt, dear students? Any doubt? +1 to -1 decrease reduction. +1 to +5 increase oxidation. Both oxidation and reduction. Same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. Such type of reactions are disproportionation reaction. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Good. Karan, okay now?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 54. The oxidation state of the most electronegative element in each of the product. H2 plus O2, H2O2 plus H2O. अरे most electronegative element oxygen. Oxygen, hydrogen peroxide. अरे peroxide का oxygen -1, common oxygen -2. Then what is the answer? Most electronegative element in the highly electronegative element in the products, either -1, either -2. Any doubt? Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dear students, problem number 55. 55. Which of the reaction involves neither oxidation nor reduction? Neither oxidation nor reduction. CrO4 minus chromium oxidation number find out करो. Cr2O7 2 minus chromium oxidation number find out करो. अरे CrO4 minus chromium oxidation number +6. Cr2O7 2 minus chromium oxidation number +6. Oxidation number change? Oxidation number change or does not change? अरे oxidation number change or not?
No change.
No change. No change means no oxidation, no reduction. If oxidation number increases, oxidation. If oxidation number decreases, reduction. That's why neither oxidation nor reduction. Okay? That is the answer. Next.